Hey guys, I just want to do a quick review for you on these 1" by 2" printing labels that I use with my Rollo printer. I use them for lots of different things, like printing out my barcodes or printing out labels for maybe that have my brand logo on it. Whatever you want to print on, if you need to stick it on something, these work really good. The adhesive on them, it's really nice, so you print, peel it, stick it, and they last really well. You don't have to worry about them falling off when you don't want them to fall off, so I'm really happy about that. I like how the paper comes with the perforation, so you print them and you want to get your paper off, you just tear it off, and then the stickers peel off really easy too, so that's been really cool. So anybody with any need at all to use their 1 by 2" print paper, I recommend these stickers. Really good quality.